What's up everyone, Brad here with the Money Dad channel. This is my first video going over stocks in the stock market since coming back from my 7-month deployment, as I told you guys about in the last video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my two favorite websites, tools that I use to research and analyze stocks before I make my decisions. And to do that, I'm going to be using a stock that had an insane day in the market today, Black Diamond Therapeutics. Stock ticker is BDTX. So I'll be using that as the example. I'll be kind of looking into that in this video. And just to let you guys know ahead of time, I know almost nothing about this company right now. I'm going to be learning all of that in this video and doing it kind of with you guys. So if you know more than I do about this company, please leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this analysis. I won't be getting too much into the weeds. This is more of a tutorial on what I like to do with these tools, but I do typically spend much more time than what I'm going to show in this video on these companies while I'm analyzing before I make these decisions, just to give you guys a heads up there. So without further ado, let's jump into the first tool that I use, which is Finviz. So this is just finviz.com, Finviz.com. There's a few things here that I like at this website. First, you got your general splash page here, and it gives you an overview of all the interesting things that happened in the market today, all your kind of unusual activity right here. But the two things that I use the most on this website is the news tab and the screener tab. Today we're going to be using the actually we're going to be using neither of those. I'm just going to type in BDTX right here, and sometimes you don't even have to type it in. You can just see, you know, if they had an incredible day, they'll usually be in one of these lists right here. But we're just going to click on it right here, Black Diamond Therapeutics, because they had such an incredible day. They are right there on the front page. The reason that I like Finviz so much for their company overview page is not only do you get, you know, kind of a little chart right here. TradingView, honestly, I think is better for the charts. It's way better, honestly. But it is nice to get a little quick idea of what's been going on with the chart. You can see all the way over to the right, they had that insane day today. They're up over 200%, up $4. But really, the good information that you get from Finviz, excuse me, is down below that. You get a nice overview of all the different fundamentals if you're interested in that. For example, market cap right off the bat, you can see is still very low even after their pretty incredible day today. It's still pretty low at 230 million. And then something that I think Finviz does very well is they show all of the upgrades and downgrades from analysts, professional analysts that cover stocks. So this right here, June 27th, this is the day that I'm making this video, we can see that the stock was upgraded by this analyst right here, and they now have a price target of $10 on this stock. And the reason for this upgrade, you can see here's the news headlines. This is another good thing that I like about Finviz, is the news headlines that they just list down here. So I don't think there's any coincidence here that this upgrade on June 27th coincides with the news that came out today. I'll just give you the headline real quick. Black Diamond Therapeutics announces initial dose escalation data demonstrating anti-tumor activity of this drug that they're working on. So basically they had positive results from cancer research. I'm not going to dive too much more into that. I don't know much more than that, so I'm just being, you know, very frank with you there. But they had positive results, and an analyst upgraded their price target on the company for that reason. I'm pretty sure of that. So because of those positive results and the analyst upgrade, their stock shot through the roof today. Like I said, 235% to the upside. So anybody that's currently holding BDTX before today, you had a great day. Congratulations. And, you know, according to this analyst down here, they've got a $10 price target. There's still plenty of room to go. With this stock currently sitting at $6.18, you have almost $4 of headroom to go. So that's like, what, another 66% upside from here or so. So you've got, you know, you're sitting pretty good. So congratulations there. So, all right, Finviz, that is my first tool that I like to use. One of two, Finviz and TradingView. And honestly, the two biggest reasons why I like to use it, like I was saying, is for this news tab. It updates just automatically throughout the day. I like to keep it up in the background. And then their stock screener. Those are the two big reasons why I like this website so much. And we didn't even really get into that. I do have other videos on my channel that get into the stock screener if you want to check those out. This video isn't really for that, but I will link a Finviz stock screener video down below if you're interested in that. The second tool that I like to use to analyze stocks is TradingView. So this is the welcome page, TradingView.com. You can it's very similar to Finviz, where it just kind of gives you a general overview of the market right here with the chart. You got some articles down here and some videos down here. I have my watch list over here on the right. You won't see that, I don't believe, if you don't have TradingView set up yet. I do like the dark mode on both Finviz and TradingView. That is nice. It's on my eyes anyway. Maybe it's not for everybody, but I prefer it. Anyway, really what TradingView is known for is its really great chart. So go up here to products and click on super charts, and it'll bring you straight to what I believe is TradingView's best feature, which is its charting. So we have Apple pulled up. That's what it defaulted to for me. So let's pull up BDTX. You just type it right into the website. You don't need to click on anything before that. You just type it right in, and it comes up BDTX. Hit enter, and off we go to Black Diamond Therapeutics. This is the chart. So you can see it's been dropping for a little while now. It did hold steady for, looks like, about halfway through 2022. It kind of started to bottom out and level off. So if you had been holding BDTX prior to 2022, it looks like you have lost a lot of money there. Maybe holding out, waiting for positive cancer research results, right? Something like that. So it has been dropping for a little while. If you bought anytime in late 2022 or 2023, then you've probably done very well today. You're probably in the green at this point. And if you bought within, the last few months, you've done extremely well today. So congrats on that. Anyway, this is the charting tool at TradingView. You can zoom in and zoom out with the scroll of your mouse like I'm doing right now. This is probably my favorite tool to use. I go to this website every single day. Once you type in a website right here, you get this little tab that comes up on the bottom. If you pull it up, you can get an overview of all kinds of information on the stock that you're looking at, the volume of shares that were traded, for the day, the market cap. This market cap will update probably tomorrow to show the new market cap. This was the market cap of the company before today. So you can see it went from 67 million to, Finviz was showing the new market cap. I believe it was in the 200 or 300 million range, right? So currently closed at $6. You get the percent gain for the day. You get some good information down below. So here's a quick overview of the fundamentals for the company. They are not profitable like most, I would say, biotech companies, or most small biotech companies. They're going to be in research mode for the majority of their lifespan until they get FDA approval on a drug and start selling it, right? So that's just how biotech companies work. You're really they are very high risk, high reward type companies. And I think that is the same for BDTX, Black Diamond Therapeutics here. It's very high risk, high reward type of long-term investment. That's how I would look at this. It is still a very small company, so you do still have a lot of upside there. But if this were me, in my opinion, this is not financial advice. This is just if this was me, I would make this a very, very small part of my portfolio. Just because it's very high risk, very high reward. Like I said, with biotech companies, they are doing a lot of research into drugs that will potentially cure or help with diseases and ailments and things like that. And if they never come to FDA approval on anything, they will never make a profit on anything. They'll probably go out of business. So it's kind of a, you know, a home run type. It's like a home run or nothing, or strikeout type of, you know, swing or miss type of company. For any baseball fans out there, I totally butchered that analogy, I'm sure. So this is my other favorite tool that I like to use for researching stocks. You can look at the chart over here. You can look at some of these analytics really quickly over here. There are a ton of other things that are great about TradingView, but I will probably cut this off here just because, like I was saying earlier on in the video, this is my first video back from a 7-month deployment, and I'm very rusty on this, stumbling over all of my words, and I'm just trying to kind of get back in the habit of making these videos. And I feel like this one has gone terribly, but I'm trying to get all my ideas out to you guys, and they're just not coming out very well. But let me know what you think about if you're a Black Diamond Therapeutics fan or investor and you're watching this video, please let me know down below what you think about the news from today. If you're just looking for information on TradingView and Finviz, I have other videos on my channel that speak better to those. Please take a look at my channel for tutorials on both of those if you're interested in any of that. That's all I got for this video today. Thank you guys for sticking around. If you made it all the way to the end through all my stumbling, thank you so much, and I'm going to be making more of these as I get back into the swing of things. Also, I got a new computer coming today. I got an iMac, so it should be better set up for making these videos, so I'm pretty excited for that. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.